Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains. You know, we're down here in Cape Canaveral. This is the NASA area of Florida. Area hit pretty hard by the hurricanes. Has nothing to do with that. This is a pool channel drain. Beautiful pool, probably installed about, maybe 30, maybe 25 years ago. You can tell because they've got the old style channel drains. And these are 1.25 inch pipes with grates on the top. They go down, there's actually a trap, and then it ties into the drain. It's only an 1.25 inch pipe down under here. So what I did was I explored. They told me that it came straight out. I actually pulled up this paver, dug down 2 feet, dug down along here to make sure, could not find the discharge. So what they're going to have to do basically is to cut a new channel drain. This line's not cleanable, unfortunately, after that many years. And again, such a small pipe, it's really not worth cleaning. It's better to cut a new channel drain, perhaps from here all the way across and come out here where I started to dig, and then turn. We hook into a nice 4-inch pipe and send it down behind this fence to a natural area back here. This is down about 2 feet, maybe 3 feet back there, goes way back there and drops off into a canal. So they've got plenty of fall. We'll just have to talk to the homeowner. Something like this, probably about 3,000 bucks. But what's happening is when it rains, water floods across this deck, and you can see with their floor height about 2 inches, and this channel drain's not picking up the water, so the water floods and comes right into their floor, into their house, all along this back wall. Very important drain. Pool channel drains, they take a lot of maintenance. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.